Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria, is a captivating city that engages all the senses. Its allure stems from the distinct fusion of cultures that have influenced the city's architecture, cuisine, and way of life. However, Sofia is far from being a stagnant city. In addition to the elaborate frescoes adorning the Byzantine churches, the city is also known for its vibrant street art, trendy cafes, and bustling markets. These elements contribute to Sofia's appeal as a must-visit destination for travelers exploring Bulgaria. This guide provides comprehensive information to assist in planning the perfect trip to Sofia. From visiting the awe-inspiring St. Alexander Nevski Cathedral, one of the most beautiful Orthodox churches worldwide, to embarking on day trips and exploring the revered Ret Monastery, the country's most sacred monastery, here are 7 remarkable activities to experience in Sofia. Number 1. Admire the beauty of St. Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. St. Alexander Nevsky Cathedral is undeniably one of Sofia's most renowned landmarks. As a striking Orthodox cathedral, it stands as a testament to the region's architectural beauty. Situated in the heart of the capital city, it commands a dominant presence over the entire cityscape. There is no better starting point for our journey in Sofia than this magnificent structure. The cathedral's story is one of perseverance and victory. It was constructed in the late 19th century as a tribute to the fallen Russian soldiers in the Russo-Turkish War. The building process was an immense endeavor that lasted for more than 2 decades. It served as a symbol of national pride and unity during a period marked by hardships and suppression. Number 2. Go on a day trip and visit Ret Monastery. After spending a day exploring all the tourist attractions in Sofia, it's time to venture into the countryside and discover some of the top tourist spots near the capital city. One of the must-visit attractions when traveling to Bulgaria is the Ret Monastery, which is among the most revered Orthodox monasteries worldwide and draws over 900,000 believers, pilgrims, and tourists annually. Situated amidst the picturesque Ret Mountains at an altitude of 1,147 meters, 3,763 feet above sea level, spanning more than 8.7 hectares, 940,000 square feet. This monastery is renowned as the largest religious complex in the country. Apart from its breathtaking natural surroundings, what truly sets this monastery apart is its intricate and vibrant frescoes and murals, adorning both the interior and exterior walls. Number 3. Hang out at the City Garden. The City Garden, an exquisite picturesque park, features fountains, park benches, and lush greenery, encompassed by some of the most charming European-style buildings within the city. Established in 1872, this park was designed as a haven for locals to unwind and revel in a small oasis of green amidst the bustling urban environment. Visitors can leisurely stroll through the park, marvel at its fountain, and appreciate the grandeur of Ivan Vazov National Theater, an imposing neoclassical structure that commands attention. In addition, one can observe locals engaging in pleasant camaraderie, playing chess, exchanging books at the Petite Public Library, and unwinding at one of the numerous cafes scattered around the park. It serves as an ideal retreat from exploration, allowing visitors to embrace the tranquility and serenity that Sofia has to offer. Number 4. Learn more about Sofia. At the Regional History Museum, if you have a keen interest in delving deeper into the extensive and fascinating history of Sofia, I highly suggest visiting the Regional History Museum of Sofia. This captivating museum offers an immersive experience that allows you to explore the diverse and rich history of the region. The museum boasts an extensive collection of artifacts and exhibits that provide insights into the region's history and culture. Upon entering, you will come across various exhibitions and galleries that showcase a wide array of items, ranging from ancient artifacts and medieval weaponry to traditional costumes and contemporary artwork. One of the standout attractions at the Regional History Museum of Sofia is its remarkable collection of Thracian gold. This exceptional assortment features intricately crafted jewelry and other precious objects that date back to the ancient Thracian civilization. Number 5. Hang out at the National Palace of Culture. The National Palace of Culture stands as the originator of all buildings in Sofia, designed in the brutalist style. It has become a beloved spot for locals due to its expansive public spaces. This remarkable structure is recognized as the largest conference and exhibition center in Southeast Europe, serving multiple functions. It was inaugurated in 1981, marking Bulgaria's 1,300th anniversary, which is truly a remarkable achievement. Although the building itself is impressive, what truly captivates me is the stunning park situated in front of it. The vibrant atmosphere created by the locals as they gather around the trees and fountains that line the park, extending all the way to Boulevard Vosha, adds to its allure. We just visited this pedestrian street. Additionally, there is a cafe with outdoor seating at the National Palace of Culture. Here, one can relax and immerse themselves in the lively ambiance of Sofia. Weekends are particularly vibrant, so be sure to visit this place while you are in Sofia. Number 6. Stroll around St. George Rotunda Church. Sofia is an ancient city with a rich history. It is so incredibly old that you can discover a church from the 4th century, like the St. George Rotunda Church, nestled among modern apartment buildings in a courtyard. This church, originally built as Roman baths, was later converted into a church during the time of the Roman Empire and Byzantine Empire. The church is part of a larger archaeological site that includes various ancient structures. Behind the apse of the church, you can observe remnants of an old Roman street with a well-preserved drainage system, as well as the foundations of a large basilica and some smaller buildings. Once inside, you will be captivated by the beautiful frescoes adorning the domed ceiling, which date back to the Byzantine era. These artworks serve as a testament to the remarkable age of the city. The church welcomes visitors every day from 8 a.m. to 7:30 p.m., and there is no entrance fee required. Number 7. Walk around Boulevard Vosha. Once you have finished touring all the churches and museums, it is time to discover the contemporary side of Sofia. And what better way to begin than by exploring Boulevard Vosha? Boulevard Vosha is a vibrant pedestrian street adorned with upscale shops, eateries, and bars for your indulgence. The street takes its name from the renowned Vosha Mountain, which can be glimpsed from various parts of the city. You can peruse the multitude of shops along the street, offering everything from local souvenirs and handicrafts to high-end fashion and luxury items. Additionally, Boulevard Vosha is home to several cozy cafes and trendy restaurants. So, if you are seeking a spot to relax and enjoy a meal, be sure to visit Boulevard Vosha. For those who revel in nightlife, Sofia boasts numerous hidden pubs and bars scattered throughout the city.